Hoso means thin, maki means roll. That means thin sushi roll which contains only one ingredient inside the sushi roll. And also alga, the seaweed, the nori will be outside and ingredients will be inside. I have here the alga, nori, seaweed. I'm gonna break in half. One thing is you are not allowed to forget, you are not allowed to do it in this way, okay? Half. That means in the same direction of lining we will cut half. Firstly, I'll make the Kappa Maki. Take around 60 grams sushi rice. Not more than 70, okay? 70 is the maximum. Then separate it very softly and gently. You have to leave one finger on the top for the Hosomaki, for the Sake Maki, and for the Kappa Maki as well. And if you are making the Hosomaki with tuna, it will call the Tekka Maki. And I'm gonna use the wasabi here. Don't use too much, it will hurt you. It will be very strong. Then I'm going to use the cucumber here. And also let's use with sesame seeds, so it will be a more crunchy and for the different aroma. Now let's roll it. I'm gonna use a little bit tezu here, my knife. In a fusion sushi restaurants, we are cutting in 8 pieces, but today I'm going to cut in the 6 pieces, okay? Half. Yes. Clean your knife. Then one and two. It should be all the equal, okay? And also you can clean this side also if you want, but now I'm not going to clean this part. Yes, it should be all the equal, and cucumber should be in middle all around the sushi rice, okay? Also you can use like this way, or you can use directly in the straight way. Yes. This is how we can make the Kappa Maki, cucumber Hosomaki Sushi Roll. Now I'm gonna teach you how to make Sake Maki. Firstly, for the Sake Maki, I'm going to prepare the salmons. If you don't know how to make sushi rice, you can check link on my description box. If you want to know how to make sushi rice vinegar for the seasoning of sushi rice, you can check link on my description box. And also, if you don't know how to cut salmon for sushi and how to cure in a proper way, you can check link on my description box, or you can visit my YouTube channel. You will find lots of things there, okay? I'm gonna use the wasabi here. Then I'll use the salmon here. Sake means salmon, maki means roll. Sake maki means Hosomaki Sushi Roll with salmons. Now I'll use the little bit onion chips. Now let's roll it. Nice. Let's cut it in the half. Nice. I'm gonna clean this part, or you can use like this way, but I'll clean, okay? So the sushi roll will looks like very beautiful. Wow. It's fucking good. This is our Sake Maki Sushi Roll. Now I'm gonna teach you Avocado. That is not our traditional sushi. Normally in the fusion sushi restaurants, it's becoming more and more famous nowadays. Let's use a little bit sushi rice here. Just a little bit wasabi here. I'm going to put here avocado, okay? And I love to use a little bit sesame seeds. Let's roll it. Then roll it again. Nice. I'm gonna put a little bit inside this sushi rice. Okay, let's cut it. It's very simple. All sushi roll are Hosomaki Sushi Roll, but with different ingredients. For example, that is the avocado, Avomaki. I'm using avocado inside the sushi roll. Let's cut it in a half. Nice. Clean your knife. And here, wow, good. And here. All are equal. It's very good. Let's do the plating. That is the Avomaki. This is how we can make 3 types of sushi roll: Kappa Maki, Sake Maki, and Avomaki. I'm gonna use a little bit here. Ginger pickles and wasabi. I don't need because I already put it inside the sushi roll. Also, if someone wants to eat a little bit more with strong flavor, they can use. Nice. This is how we can make Kappa Maki, Sake Maki, and Avomaki. That is the traditional way to make Hosomaki Sushi Roll. Thin sushi roll with only 1 ingredient. It's very beautiful. I really like it. Wow, nice. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It will give me more strength and more motivation to make more videos about sushi. Thank you. Have a good day.